Hi, Tasdale, everyone. So today here I'm teaching question words. 가치. So 가치 is a how much, how many, and how old. Okay. So 간다 or 간대, that means how. And then 가르치네, why. Okay. So I will show you with the examples. So first one 가치. And then examples are here. 걔랑로 같이인. That means how old are you? Right? 나로 정아인. So I'm 15 years old. Okay, and then next one. 딜라 같이래. So that means how much for this? Okay. 딜라 gormu ngaju So for this is a 50 rupees. Okay. Dila lobtu katsuye. So that means how many students are here. Dila lobtu sumju ye. Here is a 30 students. Okay. And then next one is kanda or kande. How. Okay. So first one kanda with the noun. So in Tibetan it's a ming. Ming means noun. Okay. For example, Thiring namshi kandado. So how is the weather today? Okay. Thiring namshi yakpodo. That today weather is good. Okay, and the next one, kande, is a use with the chatsik. So chatsik means verb. So used with the verb. Then here is an example. 걔랑 간대 용바인. How you came. So that means how you came by bus, by car, or by walking, right? And then nga 곰바얌네 용바인. I came by walking. Okay. So this is one. 가르치네. Why? Okay. 걔랑 가르치네 용매. Why you didn't come? And then answer can be 강인세나. So 강인세나 means because. ngala 뒤쯤에. ngala 뒤쯤에 means I don't have a time. Because I don't have a time. Okay. Thank you. Thank you and see you in next video.